If you're an agency and you use WordPress, GoWP is without question the first place that I would go to start growing my recurring revenue. You can have a full-time developer that you don't have to hire, you just get a developer and pay and they'll do the development work, which I've used and it's outstanding. And they've also got a dedicated copywriter as well. So if you want to start like growing the development side of your business and the doing and building side of your WordPress business, but you don't have the resources, you have someone who you can use and you know exactly how much it's going to cost. And you know the quality is going to be up there because it's through GoWP. And then they released the outsourced copywriting service. So if you want to do copywriting with your customers, you now have that available to be able to sell those products and services to customers. It literally is the fastest route to growing an agency comfortably mid 6 figures, possibly even 7 figures if you played your cards right, through using a service like GoWP. GoWP have been a rock and a staple part of my business for a long time now for a couple of reasons. What GoWP does is essentially they make managing an agency and doing the dedicated work much, much, much easier. You could quite comfortably get to 10 grand a month using something like GoWP, quite easily. Like I said, I've been wanting to make this video for a while. You can see how genuinely excited I am to talk about them. I'm constantly doing work with them. I hope the relationship continues for a long time.